In this demonstration, we will download and install Automation Manager. To download Automation Manager, log into N-Central. In the left pane, click Actions and select Start Automation Manager. Click the Automation Manager executable link. After the installation wizard runs, click Next, then click Finish. Automation Manager opens. There are 4 main panels in the Automation Manager interface. The left panel groups objects under functional headings. The main panel is the policy builder, used to construct a script. The right panel, Help, displays descriptions and parameter details when an object is selected in the policy builder pane. The status panel on the bottom displays the script's output when a policy is run or debugged and returns issues in the errors section.